Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Rivas Radical Rides, Friends Rides edition. And this one's a little bit special, a little sentimental, a little tearjerker. This Friends Rides edition brings me back to my very first one. I believe it's the first one, right? You guys remember JP? We kind of featured his Project S10 at the time, and it was a little bit lame because not much was happening.
No.
And we're what, 6 years, 7 years?
You have to go back.
We have to go back. Anyways, so I'm gonna get you guys to stop the video right now. I'm gonna put a link down below. If you look down below, there's gonna be a link and it's gonna send you back to that other video of JP's S10. So stop the video now, but you can still watch if you want. I mean, fuck, I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life. So JP, it's been a long road,
Long time coming.
a lot of emotions.
As we say, blood, sweat, and beers.
Yeah. So, you totally abandoned the 350 idea. Yeah,
There she is right there.
that's the engine that was in there. Yeah. Jesus. It's not even a Vortec.
Nope.
So what did you do?
Well, if I hit the button, you guys will soon find out.
What? So that was exciting.
There she is. Many hours under the hood, many hours, many long nights, many of these.
So what's the details? What do we got here?
This is a 5.3 liter GMLS engine, truck engine. No, just your basic truck engine.
Yeah, nothing done to it.
Nothing
really.
fancy.
Just
No,
cleaned up?
We're gonna play with it this winter. Just rebuilt and 10 thou over pistons and threw her in there. Don't know the numbers on it, so I can't tell you much about it.
Can't be too much further than stock.
Yeah. So. We got a 5-speed behind it and an original rear end, so 7.5 with 410 gears. So she moves out.
Oh yeah. He's gonna take us for a ride, so we're gonna see this thing go. Custom gauges, super nice. Paint looks good. Just got out of the paint shop couple.
Just
Last
not
week.
even a paint shop, it's a buddy's garage. So
Yeah, did a pretty good job.
we shaved the tailgate. Originally she has a lump in her like that, so Put a smooth cap on it.
Yeah, handle in the back.
Handmade roll pan. Didn't shoot the gas door because I had an episode with a leather box and decided to just leave it. So we fill her back here, but she still got her gas door. That's for weight on the back tires.
This one's for hiding drugs when you cross the border.
Oh, put some cool in there.
Bench seat.
Bench seat.
Not too many people doing that.
No. Don't have the carpet in yet, but it's coming.
Yeah, all in all, pretty clean, man. So what do you guys say we go for a ride and watch this thing fly by? So JP, let's go back through the history. You've had this thing since you were like what, 16, 15?
17.
That's why the license plate says 17 again?
Yeah.
Huh. Started off in your dad's shop.
That shop.
Where we filmed the video last time.
And then we went to a tarp shed. And then we put it in storage, and then buddy's garage for a bit. Wife kicked me out. And I got my own place, and here we are 3 years later. And burning rubber.
Yeah, finally got time to work on it, get it all dialed in. Now remind us again what the suspension drop is.
For a static drop, so it's just basic suspension parts.
Yeah.
Coils in the front and drop spindles, and then blocks and lowering blocks and leaves in the back. Beltec kits. Basic over-the-counter stuff.
So no overnight parts from Japan?
Nope.
That sounds pretty healthy. So what's the exhaust you got on here?
2.5 shrink pipe, shorty headers right to a 2-in-2 magnet flow muffler. Right, dump right in front of the axle.
Yeah. Sounds good. Now while the camera's off, the JP showed me some goodies from Texas Speed that might be going in there. So we're just gonna have to remake this video again.
I mean, spring next year.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you think JP did a good job with the truck. And let us know in the comments below if him and Luke should